Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in our today's video we are going to learn how to join data table in UiPath. So first of all, what is join? Join is an operation that combines the row of two or more tables based on related columns between them. We have three types of join: inner join, left join and full join. We will see what these joins are through an activity. If you have watched my previous videos, you will definitely have good idea how to build a data table in UiPath. Here I have built two data tables. First is users and second one is books. In the users data table we have five columns: last name, ID, first name, department and phone number. And the result of this data table is in this dt1 variable. And data table books have four uh, columns: book title, book ID, author and ID. You will see here, this is the ID column which is common between these two data tables, and the output of this second table is in dt2 variable. Go to data table activity and drag and drop join data tables. Open this join wizard, select dt1 table and dt2 variable. So here you will see I have selected two data table variables, dt1 and dt2, because these variables have the data table output and I want to join these two data tables. And in the output data table I'll select output dt, which I have already created. And you will see here there is a join type: inner join, left join and full join. In the column table 1, I will select the column which is common between these two data tables, that is ID, and the operation will be equal. I'll click on OK. To see the output of this join operation, we need to take the output data table activity from the data table. Just drag and drop it. Why we are taking data table activity? Because first, to see the output in message box or somewhere else, you need to first convert the data table to string. In the input we will take output data table, output dt, and in the result we will take output dt string, which I have already created. To see the output, take right line activity, drag and drop it, select the variable output data string, save this activity and run it. Go to output panel and see the result. You will see here the headers with these rows. So our run is successful, and we will cover one more activity here, that is remove data column. So if you want to remove any column from here, go to data table again, drag and drop remove data table. Sorry, drag and drop remove data column. After join data tables, I want to remove two columns, so I'll just copy it and paste it. The column which I want to remove is department, and data table is output DT. And the next column which I want to remove is author, and data table is again output DT. Save this activity and run it. Go to output panel to see the output. You will see here department and author is not present. They have been removed by this remove data column activity. In the property panel of this remove data column activity, you will see here there is one more text box, that is column number. So you can take the index of the column also. In that case, you will just remove the column name. I have taken the column name instead of column number here. So it's your choice, you want to take the column name or column number. So in our today's session, we have covered how to join data tables through this activity, and how to remove data columns from the data table. So this is all for today. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.